the Graeco-Roman Museum of Alexandria officially open. Egypt's Prime Minister has attended the opening of the Greco-Roman Museum in Alexandria. Following an extended renovation and restoration project that lasted 18 years. The idea of establishing the museum has been expressed in 1891. When the Italian archaeologist Giuseppe Botti thought about allocating a place to house archaeological finds uncovered in Alexandria. The museum was opened for the first time during the reign of Khedive Abbas Helmi II on September 26, 1895 AD. The museum was closed in 2005 to undergo restoration. The renovation and restoration project started in 2009, but stopped in 2011 due to the lack of funds. Work was resumed in 2018, and upon its recent completion, the museum has now been opened. The museum development project included the painting of the interior and exterior walls, restoring the museum's classic facade, as well as renewing the lighting and security systems. An additional hall has been opened, which serves as a gypsotheca, a room housing the gypsum reproductions of antiquities, some of which are on display in the museum. The museum also contains an educational department, a museum archive, a library with a rare collection, stores, and restoration workshops. In the ground floor there are 27 halls with antiquities arranged in chronological order, starting from before Alexander the Great, 5th century BC, until the Byzantine era, 6th century AD. The museum contains 6,000 artifacts. The topics of display within the museum exhibition halls cover parts of the history of ancient Egypt in general, and of Alexandria in particular. Subscribe to our channel and follow us for regular updates and exclusive content.